been sanding now with a wet sander on tanks like this for a ball of about, I'll show you how easy that is to get used to it, for about 10 minutes or maybe less. And there he is, going like a house of fire already.
Because I'm Norwegian.
Yeah, that's because he's a Norwegian. And now here we go. There's the rest of Lyle. And now he's just going like crazy. So you see how fast it, there you go. Now he's getting ready to squeegee. And there it is. Almost ready to buff. And that's just about ready to buff. And you can see then this is real time. Nothing is speeded up. Just a high-speed Norwegian.
Yeah, with my normal wet sanding, I would have had a lot of water on the floor right now.
Now there's not very much water either on the floor, is there?
No.
And you probably would have been at this for what? A half an hour to get it to this point?
Yeah.
At least. Look at him go around the knuckles now. He's on the tail of the tank.
And my guy's right. You can, the smoother it gets, you can hear less work on the sander. When I go down there, where I haven't gone, it slows down.
You can sure feel where it's getting smooth and where you're fighting the orange peel, grinding it off, can't you?
Yeah.
You get a good feel for it, and you know right exactly where you're at all times. There it goes. It goes right, blends around with the pads, around over the tail. You get more square inches of cutting surface. The pad just blends right in around those. Alrighty, he's ready to buff. It's looking like...
Yeah, it's getting down there.
There you go.
Yeah. Finish buffing this.